Super Mario 3D World!
Alright, press it!
3D World!
Alright.
You're Mario.
I'm Mario. You get one, you get the other. There we go.
And this one just keeps going.
Now we are in.
Wait, Daddy, we have to get this. Just careful.
Yo!
Lost your cat! What's this? Just be careful, Daddy. Oh, there's a secret one. Get that. Oh, thank goodness.
Oh.
It's okay.
What are you running?
Alright, it's fine. Yes.
Hey Toad, what are you running?
Stop! Get some help. Oh, might as well get this cat. Lily, give me my cat. I don't know how to get him.
There you go. Take him. No!
You lost him!
Because of you.
I have another cat. I forgot I couldn't fly! Dang it!
What are you running?
Man, oh man.
From the tricky
Look
one.
how tired I am. Really?
Two.
Come on, Daddy.
No! No, kitty cat. There you go. There you are, big fella.
Lily, you punched me.
Oh, sorry.
We forgot the secret item. Daddy, it's stupid. Rolly, Daddy. I'm having a smart idea and waiting. Smart idea, right, Cuddles? That's what you guys should
What?
Oh, jeez.
Shut up!
Where are you?
I'm not coming back. We're out of luck.
Really? Oh, no.
This is it, or else the whole series depends on you.
At least I have an invincible
The
cat.
whole series depends on you! If you die, the series is over.
Really?
Yep.
I don't need that kind of pressure. What's right here? I wouldn't risk it. Should I?
Do it!
YOLO! Dang it, YOLO doesn't always work, guys. Doesn't always work.
Why are you running?
Hit
Alright,
my
now we're
butt.
done. We gotta restart the whole game.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
Starting back at level 1.
Psych! Alright, let's do it again. Here we go. Why are you running, sir? Alright! Mr. K-Rabs! Alright. Oh, Peach. I'm happy I'm Peach.
Why?
So I can fly, duh.
I know. I want to be Peach. Well, her dress isn't captured.
Hey, where am I? Oh. No!
You just fell off.
Because you're going too fast!
You just fell off.
You're stupid!
Don't be stupid, stupid.
Really stupid. Oh, why are you running, sir? Indian accent, why are you running? Alright, idiot, no!
Really? Cat Peach.
Alright, don't be stupid.
You suck!
Oh, it was really dead!
God. Do you want to YOLO it?
Yes!
How about you YOLO it? Because I have a cat.
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
No, YOLO it! Yes! Woohoo! We YOLO it!
Savages.
Yes!
We'll just grab both of those. Oh, boy.
Jeez Louise, this is hard. Really, Daddy? Oh no! Go on the fight!
Wow.
Have we ever made it this far?
Probably.
Probably not.
Not in this episode.
And I still on my cat?
And I've died at least 7 times. And this might be it.
We never
Yes!
got this far.
We clearly did it! Ha!
Rolling! I bet I won though.
Yeah, you probably did.
Kept dying.
I would die like 7 times. Alright, I think we're gonna have time.
And I have my cat for safekeeping.
Oh boy. So you want? You kicked my butt.
What? You died! It's just because you got the fly, you stupid.
Ah! I think you gotta go. Move on. Go on.
Where's that?
Alright, so. Let's do what we've already done. No.
Let's see.
Don't go to any of those. I have an idea. No, don't go to those. Don't go to any of them that have a flag other than Bowser, okay? What are you doing? No, stop. We're not gonna have time if you're stupid.
Where do you want me to go?
Go forward. Go to one that's flagged as Bowser. Or wait, can we do the castle?
What cat?
The castle.
Let's see. Wait.
No, we don't have time. Oh, no, it's just a house. No, don't go there. Go to the castle.
We need to get this.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Test our luck.
Boom. You did great.
Yay!
We are awesome. We are the best around.
Yay!
No one can ever
Congratulations! Oh, dang it. Can't go there anymore.
Let's go castle now. Castle. You have enough stars? I guess we do.
Yay! The castle! Dang it, I want to pee.
I'll take stone.
Wow!
I don't remember this one. Oh, there's a star right there. Oh, I fell. No, I need that.
I do. There's one.
I must have already had it. Oh.
Whoa! Stop it, everyone! Am I an invincible cat?
No.
What?
I guess it was a trick.
Whoa! I'm invincible Mario! That's red! The red!
Kitty cat boy. That's anybody.
Yeah, that's red!
Pop it on your head. Oh!
Oh, really?
Ah!
Wait!
Go in there, go in. That one really likes trains. I don't know why. He's a weirdo.
Ah! No! Are you kidding? You went too far!
No, you dropped it!
I wanted it!
We all wanted it!
Oh, Daddy!
Who's it?
Oh no.
It's Chick.
Really, Chick?
Oh my gosh, there's 3.
What?
I got 1.
No, there's 4?
Get 1 and roll. Thanks a lot. Maybe you shouldn't have dropped that. Oh,
What?
There's 6. Buckets. Wait, do we finish already?
No, we couldn't.
Like we did. Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't. A blue fairy! Just like in the fairy tales. Yeah!
Come on.
You're welcome! Look at us flying in the air!
Oh my gosh, Toad looks like a little 5-year-old Japanese kid on Christmas.
Do you want me?
How close? I gave you a fight. Look over here, Mo. Gamepad's easy or 1 left. Alright, so we're killing it with stars today. We got 4, which is pretty good for us. Very good.
Oh, you're so sweet. Are we doing a cutscene in this episode? Let's see.
And
It's been 11:59.
yeah, that was the last round.
So hopefully
I think those be back.
you guys enjoyed this episode. Why
Do you
not-
see that invisible coin-ish thing on the left? It's pretty cool.
Wait,
We should,
where?
no. Go left. I saw an invisible coin. Go left, go. It doesn't matter, I don't see it. But just go in the pipe, Go in the pipe!
But it's gonna be a cutscene.
No, go in the pipe! That's the part! The cutscene already happened. I think we sort of like the circus on this one. Yeah, I think we do. Wait. Yeah, we do.
Circus!
Yeah, I remember this one. So what a start. That's what we're going to be doing in the next
Episode!
Alright, peace out everybody. Hope you guys did enjoy as always.